Hey guys, welcome to the page. So this is my BMW E46, which I'm attempting to fix after the previous owner neglected the car. So I've stripped it down. Almost everything on the engine bay is gone. Still need to take out suspension, steering column and all that. Wiring. We're stripping the car down for paint and fixing dents here and there wherever it is. Fix a little bit of rust spots. This is only surface rust. So yeah, it's basically a full tear down of the vehicle. We're going to put in a whole brand new suspension, everything new. Steering rack, we will fix it up, put in new seals, all control arms, tie rods, everything will be brand new. We've been stripping the car down as far as we can for panel beating. This is the interior. The interior is quite neat. It's just a steering wheel. We'll be changing the OEM to a M-Tech 2 M3 wheel. I think it's an M3. Came off an M3 if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, the whole interior will be redone as well. I need to rotate the vehicle because passenger side floor in front is a dent that's shooting into the car. I need to fix that up. And I think somewhere one of these two sides at the back, these are new parts, new fan, new radiator, roof lining needs to be redone. Overall the seats are not too bad, stock standard. This is a E46 325i. Hopefully you guys can see, if my camera can focus. Yeah. So everything will be redone, full paint stripped down. There's a couple of dents here and there on the roof, on the bonnet, and on the sides, like hail type damage, but nothing major. We're currently busy at the back mocking up where I'm going to drill on the tow bar so that I can hook up my homemade rotisserie. I cannot remove this tow bar because they tack welded the nuts to the plate and I cannot get my hand to remove one of the bolts, so I'm leaving it as is. And we'll make a plan here at the back. As you can see, I've mocked up, going to drill out so we can bolt the rotisserie to the body. Strip down everything on the sides. Still need to take out the rear quarter mirror. I'm not too sure if I'm going to remove the windscreen in this one. We'll see when we get there. So yeah, this is my project for 2026. Hopefully we'll be alright. Oh yeah, up there's the new fenders. That's the new front bumper. Still waiting on the rear bumper. Okay, this frame is from my E30 Power. Still need to do that as well. So the car is quite neat on the interior. I just didn't like certain things which I'm going to modify and replace, like these carbon fiber trimmings. I really don't like them, and they're all scratched up, especially on the center console. We're going to be redoing that, putting cup holders in. We're going to be doing quite a lot in the interior as well. I'm going to replace it with this M-Tech 2 M3 wheel. I think it's an M3 wheel, not 100% sure. We're going to put all the trimmings from a individual. This is not an individual. This is, I guess, a standard E46. And yeah, that's about it. We're gonna have new side mirrors, new, almost everything you can think of is gonna be brand new, which we have 60% of the parts already. Just need to get the tunnel heat shield, because the one that was on here, it's completely destroyed. Going to be neatening up the wiring, especially on this side. The wiring is really crazy. From the computer box side, it's not too bad. So we've made a homemade rotisserie bolted there. These are just reinforcements. Sorry, I don't trust my welding, so yeah, we tacked up this as well, tack that up for safety reasons. Got a little bit surface rusts here and there, as you can see here, so gotta get rid of all that. Bonnet will come off. Hoping to finish this project by April, May the latest. And let's see how it goes.